We have a lot of important economic data coming out this week that will give us a better picture of how consumers are doing. First up, we have inflation figures for March on Tuesday. In February, Canada's annual inflation rate fell to 5.2%. That's the lowest level in 13 months. It led the Bank of Canada to stand pat on interest rates. This time around, forecasts suggest there's a good chance the inflation rate could come in at less than 5%. Last week, the BOC governor said inflation is forecast to fall to around 3% by the summer. This also comes after U.S. inflation data for March showed prices rose 5%. That's the lowest rate in almost 2 years. On Wednesday, we get housing starts for March. New construction jumped 13% in February. The latest reading is expected to give a better picture of the housing market and if it's heating up with the weather. Welcome to Advisor Lookahead. This is a weekly series where I tell you what you need to know in investing and financial news. In earnings, we continue to get big bank first quarter earnings in the U.S. Some notable investment firms reporting include Goldman Sachs on Tuesday, followed by Morgan Stanley on Wednesday. Analysts say they may avoid potential negative impact on net interest income from loans in the sector because of their large wealth management and brokerage revenue. Shares of both banks are up over the past year despite the sell-off in March. Blackstone is also reporting on Thursday. It booked losses in private equity in 2022, but it still beat public markets and posted positive real estate returns for the year. It also just closed its largest global property drawdown fund, securing more than $30 billion. Its shares are up by double digits this year. That's the Advisor Look Ahead for this week. For more news and information, check out globeadvisor.ca.